Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your Redmi 17 smartphone. The best decision in such case would be reaching out to Redmi customer support service, as they are the only ones who can help you regain access to your smartphone without deleting any personal data from it. And if you don't have such option, if you don't have the proof of the ownership of your device to show them, then you're gonna have to perform, unfortunately, the factory reset operation. But the good news is if you have an alternative way to sign into your device, so it might be your face unlock or fingerprint unlock sensors, you can back up your data from settings. To do that, simply swipe down the control center, that tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. Then here you're gonna have to go to About Phone, scroll down to Backup and Restore, and here you'll see 4 different backup options. So we have the local backup at the top and cloud backup at the bottom. You can select any option that you prefer and back up all the important data from your smartphone to one of these external sources. After that, you have 2 options of performing the factory reset operation. You can either do this remotely or locally on your smartphone. Let's start with the remote factory reset. To perform factory reset operation remotely, you have to open your web browser on any other device that you have around that has internet access. So it might be your tablet, it might be your laptop, it might be your second phone, it might be your PC. Then you're gonna have to find this website, so Find Hub, open it and sign into the Google account that is linked with your Redmi. If you do so, you'll find your Redmi on the list, and if you select it, you'll be able to see the factory reset option. And if you select the factory reset option, you'll perform factory reset operation remotely. Now, if you want to perform factory reset operation locally, you're gonna have to first shut down your device, normally by pressing the power button and volume up key at the same time, swiping the circle up to power it off. And after that, we're gonna have to press and hold the volume up key and the power button at the same time after the device is fully shut down. Once your device vibrates, you have to release the power button and keep holding down the volume up key. So now let's do it once again. Hold down volume button and power button. Once your device vibrates, you release the power button and keep holding down the volume up key. This way you will get to the recovery menu, and here you'll be able to navigate using volume up and volume down key. Select with power button, select wipe data option, then select wipe all data on the following page, and then confirm your choice. And once you confirm your choice, all the data from your device will be erased, and after that you're gonna have to restore your data either from backup or, unfortunately, just use your device as a new one, but eventually you'll get the access back to your smartphone. So in my case, I'm not gonna perform this operation. Instead, I'm just gonna restart my smartphone by selecting Reboot on the main menu page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.